Okay, the recording started. Okay, then we're gonna go for the sharing. Hello, Mindanao. So sad to have that incident in on the boat. Okay, that I sent you the video of the boat who capsized. Okay, for a while. Mhm. Fish clean. Okay, wait. Okay, can you see this one, guys? Can you see it?
Coach. Yes po.
Yes,
Okay.
coach.
Good.
Okay. Now, we're talking about the macro cycle. Okay. So, saan? If you're looking at the macro cycle here, okay, can you point out saan lumalabas ang part ng macro cycle? Sige na. Saang part sa may macro cycle? Katabi ng anong
Isang buong
word?
taon, coach. Annual, coach.
Sa baba ng Tuesday, coach.
Hindi, katabi ng anong word? Katabi ng anong word? Ang macro. Ang macro cycle. Katabi ng anong word? Sa baba niya, anong word ang nakasulat?
Period.
Okay, sa taas niya is week. Okay.
Week.
Now, you're looking at the macro cycle. Okay? So, ang macro cycle niya, nakikita mo, may 1, 2, and 3. Yun ang sakop ng macro cycle. Okay? Yung macro cycle niyan, under that is the base, the competition, the base, the competition, the base, and the competition again. From the first, second, and third macro cycle. The macro cycle is there. Nakikita nyo, there is a focus, okay, the preparation, there is the specified explanation of the focus. Then the mesocycle, below the macro cycle is a mesocycle. Okay? Below the mesocycle, the macro cycle is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 mesocycles. And the microcycle is below the mesocycle. So now you can understand what is mesocycle and the microcycle. Okay. The macrocycle is the whole coverage. It's like, okay, what is your macrocycle? Sige, you're planning the macrocycle, what, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years? See, you create a macrocycle in your duration. Okay? But, pag masyado na maliit, okay, ang panahon, okay, like for example, sige, what is a macrocycle? Normally about 6 months. What is a macrocycle? Macro is magagawa mong General endurance 3 months, speed endurance 2 months, 1 month specific speed. That is the composition of a macro cycle. Okay, which is 3 months, 2 months, 1 month. Pag oras na mesocycle, ang gagawin mo ngayon dyan, weeks na. Ang computation mo sa mesocycle is only weeks kasi normally it's below 2 months or 3 months, below 3 months. Okay? So, ang mesocycle is below 3 months normally. Now, you're looking at microcycle. Okay? Ulitin ko ha. Macrocycle is by the months. 3, 2, 1. 3 months, 2 months, 1 month. 3 months of general endurance, 2 months of speed endurance, 1 month of specific speed. Now, kung oras na gusto mong kulang yung panahon mo, 3 months below ka lang. So, how do you compute it? You compute it by mesocycle. The mesocycle, ilang weeks yun? Guys, ilang weeks ang mesocycle ng 3 months? Okay, total, how many weeks in 3 months? 12 weeks.
12.
Okay? Okay. So, nasa iyo ngayon yun kung gagawin mong 6. Okay? 6. Then, i-reduce mo ngayon. Gawin mo, pwede rin naman 4. Okay? Or 6. Tapos, 6, 4, 2. Okay? 6, 4, 2. Pero, parang ang pangit eh. Ako, mas gusto ko pa yung 4, 4, 4. Okay? So, ang mesocycle mo, tatansyahin mo ngayon yan. Okay, sige. Kakarga ako ng 10 by 800. Okay? 10 by 800 on the general endurance. 20 by 400 on general endurance. Mostly, ang language mo sa general endurance is 1,005, 800, 400, 200. That's the language of general endurance. If you're talking about speed endurance, your language is 100, 200, okay, and 50s. So for example, general speed endurance, you're preparing, most of the speed endurance are threshold. So you're doing the threshold of 15 by 100, 20 by 100, 30 by 100, okay, on a cycle time. Okay? So for example, 15 by 100, okay, descending cycle times in 5 by 100, 5 by 100 on 145, 5 by 100 on 140, 5 by 100 on 130. Ganon. Normally, you're doing that on speed endurance. Okay? So, that is, for example, mesocycle mo is 4 weeks, general endurance, 4 weeks, speed endurance, 4 weeks, specific speed. Kaya lang, normally, like ako, as a national coach, hindi ako satisfied sa 4 weeks. 4 weeks na specific speed. I'd rather go 1 week sa general endurance, okay? Then, 3 weeks sa speed endurance, then 8 weeks sa specific speed. Why? Because the specific speed is you're after for maturity. You're after for maturity, muscle memory. Okay, so for example, 1,005, 30 by 50, 30 by 50, 15 by 100, 30 by 50, 15 by 100, 10 by 150. You're doing the muscle maturity. Sige. Okay. So if you're doing, for example, 10 years old, you're doing 1,005. Okay? Okay, so 15 by 100 on 130, that's 22 minutes and 22 minutes and 30 seconds, but you should be maintaining 120, 120, 120, 120. Full pa lang yun. Pwede rin swim na rin. Okay? So, you're expecting the kid to deal with 15 by the 1500 120 pace. That will be total of 20 minutes for 10 years old. So, the maturity that you're expecting is depending on your specific speed. But the reason why you are doing general endurance to prepare the body, to prepare the muscles. It's a scientific that you need to prepare the muscles. Okay? So that is why you still have the threshold or the speed endurance. Normally, the speed endurance, it's 90% threshold. Okay? So you need to understand what is the meaning of the part of the mesocycle and the part of the whole program. Okay. Now we go to micro. We go to microcycle. Okay. Microcycle is about 7 days or what's this? 14 days. It's like that. Okay. So your maturity is actually 7 days or 14 days. See? So you need to understand what is meant. Okay? Hello. Are you catching up with my explanation? Okay. The whole Hello, can you open your windows, guys? I still don't know if you are actually there. Baka natutulog kayo eh. Okay? That's only 20 minutes. Baka naman pwedeng 20 minutes na yan, you can open your window. Diba? Okay. Okay. The whole thing is, the most important thing for maturity is actually the specific speed. Okay. Why is it that ginawa yung reverse periodization of Gennady Turetsky? Gennady Turetsky is actually a Russian coach, which is a superstar coach because in Australia, okay, because he had been doing a lot of superstar athletes. He's quite slick, very, very slick. But because of his greatness, pinag-initan siya ng Australian coaches. Because of that, ang tendency, tinaniman siya. Tinaniman siya ng, injectables. Yung mga injectables na yun, what? Okay? Pinalabas na hindi siya talaga magaling na coach. Naging magaling lang because of the injectables. Josh, are you listening? Okay?
Yes,
Now,
coach.
so you need to understand, okay? You need to understand this guy, reverse periodization, ang sabi niya, bakit ako susunod sa inyo for about 30 to 60 days of speed endurance? Paano kung hindi kulang pa? O hindi ko na-attain yung gusto ko? Okay? Bakit ako susunod sa inyo? Okay? Sabi ni Gennady Turetsky. Okay? Si Gennady Turetsky is actually mother and father was from Russia and was born in Australia. Okay, now, so Gennady Turetsky made it a point that ito medyo you need to learn from this guy. Okay? Gennady Turetsky, reverse periodization. Ginawa niya, minsan nagiging 3 months, 4 months, simulation. Buong mundo, ginagawa na yun. Ngayon, ang ginagawa is reverse periodization ni Gennady Turetsky. Halos buong mundo. Pero, ang problem is you need to understand here, okay? Hindi alam hindi alam yung paggagawa ng ano ng program. So palpak ang pagkaluto. Sige, tanong ko sa iyo. Sige, okay? Ah, a coach is a chef, okay? Okay. So magigisa ka ng pakbet. Okay? Sige, gisa. Luto ng sibuyas at anong tawag ito? Baboy. O, di gano'n. Ginagawa mo, di ba? Okay. So, pag nagluluto ka nun, yung step by step mo gagawin mo yun. The problem with other coaches, inuulit-ulit yung pagkagisa ng yung pagkagisa ng ng baboy. Okay? So, ang nangyayari, mahaba yung periodization. Ibig sabihin yung speed endurance, ibig sabihin specific speed, tapos babalik nila sa general endurance, specific speed, tapos babalik sa general endurance. Hindi nila alam paano gumawa. So, ang nangyayari, wala kang lulutuing tama. Okay, tanong ko sa'yo, ilan ba dapat? For example, 14 years old. Okay?
Wala, coach. Naghang kayo.
Hello guys, can you hear me?
Okay na, Coach.
Okay na? Okay.
Okay na.
Okay. Okay, sige. So, wait. Let's put it this way, okay? The most important thing is that for you to know, okay, pag oras na you're a chef, hindi mo pwedeng, I'll go back to my question. For 1 year, a 50 fly, okay, at the age of 14 years old, 50 fly niya is 25 seconds. Okay? Ilang beses ba dapat siyang magti-taper sa isang taon? Sige nga. Ang 100 fly niya is 55. Sige. Anyone who knows how to answer? Ilang beses siya dapat mag-taper sa isang taon? Hello? Can anyone answer that? Okay.
Coach, twice.
Okay. If you taper the whole preparation for the whole year, there are 365 days a year. Take off the 15, that will be 350 days. Got it? Naintindihan nyo? Okay. 350 days, kasama ang Sunday doon. See? Kasama Sunday. Tanggalin natin ngayon ang Sundays. That's 50 Sundays. Okay? So, may iwan 300 days. Nakuha mo ngayon. Tama? Pag tinanggal mo pa Saturdays, magiging 250 days na lang. So, now, you're talking of 300 days. Yung 300 days na yon, maminusan mo pa ng 21 days. Kasi pag nag-taper ka ng isang beses. Nawama? 21 days. So, 279 days na lang. Nawama? Kung isang beses yon sa isang taon. Ngayon, kung gagawin mo 2 beses siya magte-taper, ang computation mo ng maturity hindi na 300 days. Ang computation mo is 150 days. So, 150 days na magmamature. Tingnan mo ngayon, ha? Okay? Sa isang araw, bro, isang araw. Sige, bago ka umalis, iho, bibigyan mo ako ng 4 na best time sa 50-meter fly. So, 25. Wala akong pakialam kung gaano katagal. Okay? I don't care if it's gonna be 5 minutes break, 10 minutes break, 15 minutes break. It's up to you. Basta, deliver the 4 best times of 50-meter fly. So, all 25. You do that for 300 days. Ang total time niya is, if ever mag-mature, is 140. Ipagpalagay mo 145. Ipagpalagay mo 150, 200 fly. See? Now, so, pag nag-taper ka 2 times a year, ano mangyayari? Tanong ko sa'yo, ano ang mangyayari? 150 days na lang ang maturity mo. Maminusan mo pa ng 21 days ng taper mo. Okay? So, 129 days na lang yung maturity mo. See? If you don't know periodization, you don't know how to be coach. You don't know how to be a coach because you need to plan the whole thing for the whole year. For the whole 4 years. Number one, you need to get the schedule of the competition. You need to get the schedule of the competition, whether if it's here, whether if it's other regions, whether if it's Singapore or whatsoever. You get the schedule and choose what competition would you like. Are you just wasting money on that kind of competition? I'd rather go, okay, all odd numbers of the month, camp, or dual meet or quad meet. Then big competitions on even numbers of the month. So more or less, it's like that. So if you are doing maturity of 4 years, 25, tingnan mo ha, 25, 25. Nagsawa na siya, sanay na, adapted na yung muscles niya sa 25 meter, 35 meters, 50 meters, adapted na yung muscles niya, magiging 24 na. Tama? Tama? 24. Adapted na yung muscles niya. Okay? Ano sunod na time? 23 na. See? That is why I'm cutting the time of the first 15 meters. You cut the time of the first 15 meters every day. You cut the time of the 50 meters outright. You cut the time of the 25. You don't focus on the 50 meters for the 10 and unders. Focus on the 25 meter. Focus on 15 meters. That is why ang sprinters natin dito, pipitsugin. Focus on the 25, focus of the 15 meters, cut their times. You cut their times, you cut their times 4 times or 8 times a day, 8 times a day on the fly, 8 times a day on the back, 8 times a day on the breast, 8 times a day on the free. So, you're improving the IM. And that will be as a sequence of butterfly, backstroke, breaststroke, and freestyle. So you're developing the IM. Okay? Now, kung gusto nyong sarili nyo, it's up to you. For me, I tested it for a long time already. And I know it already. And I know the lapses before. So, the best way pa dyan, you go dry land for 1 hour. Okay? Dry land, strengthening the muscles. It builds up the muscles, the strength, it builds up power and others. Okay? Then, pag 3 days before the competition mo, regular competition mo, tanggalin mo lang ang intensity. Pasarap lang. Pasarap na kicks 2,000, pasarap na pull, swim 2,000, walang dry land, 3 days lang. It's already clearance of lactic acid. You don't need to taper it. Take note, on the competition, it's 90% mental. It is 90% mental. The body is just 10%. But though, okay, though, the power, the adrenaline, sige nga, saan manggagaling yung adrenaline? The adrenaline starts from your mind. You're setting it, uupakan ko to, dudulugin ko tong batang to. Yeah, it's always making it clear that the adrenaline sets, okay, sige ikaw. Dinurog yung mukha ng kapatid mo. Winasak yung mukha ng kapatid mo. Siyempre, di ba, gusto mong durugin din yung mukha ng kalaban mo na yan? Regardless of whatsoever mangyari sa'yo, dudurugin mo yung mukha niya, di ba? That's the adrenaline rush. The adrenaline rush, there is a reason, a big reason for you to create adrenaline rush. Okay? Ano nangyari sa Ano nangyari sa laban ni yung pangalan nito ni Negra versus Alex. Pinainit ng ulo, pinaiyak ng audience, na ang audience puro Pilipino. Pinaiyak niya yung Negra. Di nagkaroon ng adrenaline yung Negra. Okay? Yung Negra, inupakan niya yun si Alex. Si Alex sa tennis. Okay? Alex, the tennis superstar ngayon ng Pilipinas. Okay.
Alex Yala.
You need to create. The adrenaline gives the highest level of motivation. Now, the periodization is actually preparing your body. Preparing your body. But I'm telling you, the adrenaline every day, okay, is to cut the time. Ay, sasabihin mo, hindi ka matatapos dyan ng 8 times hanggat hindi best time yan. O, sige. Okay. Close to best time, 4. Pero 4, siguraduhin mong best time. Hindi ko ika-count na 4 kung hindi best time. So, paulit-ulit tayo dito. Kaya, don't waste the time. Siguraduhin mo, best time yan. Sabi mo, ang ginagawa mo, coming from what? Coming from dry land. Tapos, naninigas yung muscles mo. Tapos, magbe-best time ka pa? That is what you call switch on the adrenaline. See? So, you need to give value on those 15 meters. Okay, you cannot finish the workout. You cannot jump to the next workout without accomplishing the best times. That 4 best times of the fly, 4 best times of the back, 4 best times. Pwede mo naman dahan-dahanin eh. Okay, 2 best time lang. Pero yung 6, close to best time. See? But because of what you're doing, of 8 times, you're developing the 200. 8 times fly, 8 times back, 8 times breast, 8 times free, you're developing the 200. You're developing an 800 IM already. You're just giving about 20 seconds to 30 seconds rest. Then, best time. 20 to 30 seconds rest. Then, best time. But take note, that is normally in other countries, it's normal that it's coming from a dry land. Then, sprint. Didiretso yung gina. May mga countries, tinatanggal na yung drills. Yung drills, ginagamit na lang nila kasi they have only 2 hours of training or less than 1, ginagamit na lang nila yon for recovery. Yung drills. Pero in the training, wala na drill masyado. Lalo pa elite level. Lalo pa junior elite level. They wanted to value the time of maturity. They're after for the maturity. They're not after for the drills. Okay? So guys, that's all for today. Okay? We're going to be going for next tomorrow. Okay? Okay? Thank you. Take a picture, guys. Take a picture.
Thank you,
I'm very emotional on coaching. That's how I'm very passionate on coaching. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you. See you tomorrow.